everyone has been preaching about staying at home, don't party, don't socialize, and yet everyone continues to do it. I have great faith in the citizenship in our community.
Faith that Starr County Judge Eloy Vera hopes drives people to stay home because he can't force them to. In efforts to stop the dramatic spread of coronavirus, Vera is expecting to issue a stay-at-home order. But because of an early order from the governor, no one could be penalized if they don't comply. In an interview today with Channel 5 News, we asked Governor Greg Abbott why he wouldn't give that power to local officials.
There are parts of their orders which they have the complete latitude to enforce, such as the curfew. That is the authority that local county judges always have, including right now. And it's my understanding that I think both in Cameron as well as in Hidalgo counties, they intend to be enforcing curfews. That is one of the strategies to make sure that they reduce the number of people who are out and about.
Governor Abbott adds he will only allow local officials to enforce masks and not gathering in groups more than 10. In Starr County, Judge Vera says staying home helped keep their numbers low early in the pandemic, but that's not the case now.
We cannot continue functioning in the Starr County Memorial Hospital, nor in our county, in the way that things are going.
Officials say the county's only hospital is overwhelmed and surviving from additional staff sent by the state, the U.S. Army, and Navy. Dr. Jose Vasquez, Starr County Health Authority, says in a day, about 3 patients are flown out to other facilities, which helps with space. Officials also forced to create an ethics committee that follows legal guidelines to evaluate patients. And because of the lack of resources like ventilators, those who have a chance of survival could get priority.
If we believe with scientific data that a patient does not have any chance to survive with a life-saving procedure or a life-saving medical device or treatment, we will have that conversation with the family and we will give our honest point of view and perhaps make them understand that sometimes it's better if that loved one goes home and dies within the love of a family rather than going thousands of miles away and dying alone in a hospital room.
Alternatives could be care facilities, but for now, Judge Vera hopes county residents will comply with any stay-at-home order to avoid more infections and deaths. Christian Colon, Channel 5 News at 10.